HemoTouch Kit, the simulation kit designed to transform finger prick and blood sampling training. The kit includes everything you need, from the HemoTouch lancing simulator to the materials needed to create up to 2 liters of easy-to-wash simulated blood. While the HemoTouch is compatible with other fake blood solutions, the viscosity of the blood is key to achieving realistic performance. That's why we've included our own formula and preparation process to help you get the best results every time. So here's what's inside the HemoTouch Kit. A lancing device simulator, 4 refillable blood cartridges, a bottle for mixing fake blood, a syringe needle cap, a bottle cap, 4 ounces of fake blood powder, a measuring cup, a funnel, a stirring stick, and of course, your kit bag. Let's start by making the fake blood with the HemoTouch Kit. First, take the mixing bottle and remove the cap. Attach the funnel to keep everything clean and spill-free. Next, use the measuring cup and fill it to the 10 milliliter mark with the fake blood powder. Give it a gentle shake to level the powder and check the measurement. Once done, securely close the powder container to avoid spills. Pour the powder into the mixing bottle. If needed, use the stirring stick to help guide the powder through the funnel. Now add water up to this part of the mixing bottle. Attach the bottle cap, making sure it's tightly secured, then shake well to mix. Turn the bottle upside down and check for any unmixed powder. Once the mixture is smooth, remove the bottle cap and replace it with the syringe needle cap, tightening it securely. Finally, dispense a small amount into a container to check for lumps that could affect blood flow. And that's it. Your fake blood is ready to use. Now let's proceed to filling the cartridge of your lancing device. For this step, we'll be using the syringe needle cap so we can be more precise with our pour. First, insert the needle cap into the HemoTouch lancing simulator head. Next, gently squeeze the fake blood bottle until the blood slightly overflows from the top of the cartridge. This ensures that the cartridge is completely filled. Then tap the simulator head gently on a towel to remove any excess fake blood. Pull back the barrel to load the simulator. Locate the trigger and press it to activate the device. Trigger the HemoTouch once or twice to clear any remaining excess blood and achieve a smooth flow. When used in open air, the device may release more fluid than expected. That's completely normal. When the simulator head is pressed against a finger and the blood mixture has the correct viscosity, pressing the trigger will produce the appropriate amount of blood, typically just a small drop on the fingertip. It works on a mannequin hand or even a real standardized patient hand. And now you're ready for your blood sampling and finger pricking simulation procedures. Once you're done with training, you may want to remove the blood cartridge for cleaning. First, turn the simulator head counterclockwise and pull it out. Next, take the stirring stick and gently push it through the head to eject the cartridge. Once removed, simply clean the cartridge and it will be ready for your next training session. Once cleaned, you can reassemble the lancing device to use it again. First, take the simulator head and insert the cartridge back into place. You can use the stirring stick to help guide the cartridge into position. Make sure the cartridge lips pass through the head opening properly. Finally, attach the head back onto the lancing simulator base and turn it clockwise until it is securely in place. Once you're done, make sure to place the cap back on the fake blood mixture bottle to keep it sealed and ready for future use. And that's it. That's everything you need to know to get started with your HemoTouch Kit. Happy simulation!